Sushma here and welcome once again to another vlog of mine. So guess what? Since it's a bright sunny day, I have decided to make something really sweet and creamy. Guess what it is? It's what is called as Tiramisu, which is an Italian coffee dessert. So let me show you the ingredients and let's get started. You will need 6 large eggs, 2/3 cup of powdered white sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 40 ladyfinger sticks, half a cup of coffee espresso, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of lukewarm water. First step, I'm going to start cracking these eggs into the bowl. So I'm going to be separating my egg whites and the yellow separately. The yellow goes in over here. So I'm going to be doing this step for the rest of the eggs as well. While my eggs are cracked right now, I have kept water to boil. I will be placing the bowl over the top to create a double boiler, and then it's time to beat these yellow yolks and keep stirring until it forms a light dozy color. I will be adding powdered sugar a little by little once at a time, and you continue stirring until the dark yellow eventually fades into a pale yellow, and ensuring that it does not form any lumps during this process. Ensure that it is kept at the lowest heat so that it does not cook completely. So guys, as you can see right now, it's on a double boiler and I have kept this for about 10 minutes. The color of the yolks, as well as I keep adding sugar, it lightens up, and this is the smooth creamy texture that has formed right now. So guys, we are done with 10 minutes, so I'll be taking it off the heat right now. Now I will be adding the egg whites, the remaining egg whites, with the powdered sugar into it. There goes the egg whites, and now I will be putting in the remaining sugar. Okay, it's time to beat this up now. Guys, right now the egg white is ready. As you can see, it's forming peaks, which stands that it's almost ready right now. I will be adding the yellow mixture, the yolks, into this. And now I will be beating it. So guys, the next step right now is I'm going to be using mascarpone cheese, 16 ounces, which got closely around 500 grams. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to put all of that into the bowl. And to that I will be adding a little bit of vanilla essence. This is for flavoring. And now I'm going to start with beating all of these ingredients. So guys, right now I will be mixing this mixture, which is my egg whites and my cream, into the mascarpone. And I'm going to do it at the lowest level. So guys, right now I've taken about half a bowl of water. It's hot, and to that I'm adding about half a cup of coffee powder. Now I'm going to begin with stirring it. Alright, so I've got my bowl to assemble the ladyfingers, and I've got the coffee as well. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to take one of these ladyfingers we're going to be dipping it in this coffee for not more than 2 seconds, and then we're going to be assembling it into the bowl. So it's a quick 2 seconds and immediately they get soggy really quickly, guys. So this has to be a very quick step. So this was our first step of assembling it. Top this up right now with this mixture. And now we're going to start spreading this properly to all the sides using a spatula. We're done with the first layer. Now we're going to move on to the second layer. So I'm going to repeat the steps once again, which is dipping the ladyfingers into the coffee syrup for not more than 2 seconds. So guys, right now our second layer is also done. I'm going to add another layer of this mixture on the top. Guys, our second layer is also complete. Right now we are going to be using a cocoa powder on the top just to give it some sort of beauty onto it. So I've taken a strainer right now. I'm going to add my cocoa in it, and I'm going to very carefully put this on the top. Sides, I'm going to take a normal tissue and then just go very easy with it on the sides. Guys, now my tiramisu is ready. I'll be now putting this in the fridge. I'm going to keep it for about 3-4 hours, and then once it's nicely set in the refrigerator, I will be then cutting it into pieces and I'm going to show you the final product. So guys, with the magic of YouTube, my tiramisu is ready. So let's go ahead, cut it and see how this tastes right now. Tiramisu is ready right now and it's time for the taste test. Really nice, really soft. You can actually taste the coffee in each layer of the ladyfingers, which makes it even more tastier. Not to forget the cocoa that has been on the top as well. So what do you think, guys? Go ahead and try it yourself. Simple, easy and delicious.